Hi everyone, I'm here with John Oliver, Executive Senior Associate Athletic Director at the University of Virginia. Tell us a little bit about this University of Virginia men's tennis team. 10 years ago, a little over 10 years ago, you all suspended the program temporarily, and here we are, 10 years later, a decade of dominance.
Well, it wasn't actually suspended. It was up to be tiered as a second-tier program. But our Board of Visitors spoke loud and clear and said that they wanted all of our programs to be excellent. And we did a search in 2001, and Jane Miller led that search, and we hired Brian Boland. And Brian Boland is like what I like to call a CEO of a program, a guy who came in with a clear plan, a vision. He's been relentless in pursuit of that. He's embodied kind of the University of Virginia culture. He's cultivated internal and external constituent groups, and he's put a plan together. He's recruited well, and he's put it all together, and I think that's why we're here today.
And when you talk about Brian Boland, when I hear about Brian Boland, I hear about his relationship with players, his relationship with the community, his relationship with the university. Can you talk a little bit about that?
Yeah, I think every day he works at that. I mean, it's part of his plan and his vision. In order to get to a level of a championship, it's not just winning on the court, it's winning in every aspect of what you have to do to build a high-quality college program. That means embracing people on the faculty side of things. It means embracing donors. It means embracing people within the athletics department. He's done that very well, and everybody's behind him. We want him to be successful. His kids feed off that as well. I mean, everybody knows in that program that people are behind them and they're working hard to make sure they're successful. And these kids that he brings in, they make it easy.
You supervise football, basketball, and men's tennis. Tell us about the difference between you watching a men's tennis match and a football game, basketball game.
I used to think football and basketball were pretty stressful, but the way momentum swings work in tennis, it's almost unbearable, but it's so exciting. I love watching it. Football, you sit back more. In tennis, you got to pay attention to a number of matches to make sure it's going your way, but I love watching it. It's pretty exciting.
Give us your perspective of this University of Virginia team. You go out to the matches, obviously, from top to bottom. There are coaches talking about how this team could beat Davis Cup teams. What's your relationship and what are your thoughts on this team from top to bottom?
First of all, they're all great tennis players. It's a very deep team, but as good at tennis players as they are, they're almost better people, which is important at the University of Virginia. We look for the full package. These guys are, but incredible players, a very deep team. It speaks to Brian's recruiting and the culture he's trying to build, but I wouldn't want to play against this team.
Last question. I drive up yesterday in the parking lot and I see a sea of University of Virginia fans. Can you talk about the Virginia tennis fans?
Well, it speaks to what Brian's done. He's cultivated these relationships, and he was very clear about his vision and what he was trying to do. He got a lot of people behind that, so they're now supporting him. They're kind of riding that wave as he continues to fight to win this championship. So people have traveled from a long ways away to watch this team, to support this team. You see people out there tailgating. They're behind this program, and that's exciting to see.
John, good luck today, and go Hoos.
Appreciate it, man.